This is the Mini RF3 Charge Package. This full package is available in two colors of chrome or black and comes with 8 extremely bright Mini RF3s, an extremely durable flight case that has a charging strip inside to charge all of the lights, and then all of the included accessories like 8 long distance RF remotes and charging cables for all of your lights. On the front of the flight case, we have 2 butterfly locks where you can run a small padlock through if you want to lock your case fully. There's also a carry handle at the top over here, which makes carrying this whole package as easy as carrying a briefcase. The case itself is very durable and made from aluminum and plywood, so it can take a beating and still protect your lights. We actually filmed a drop test for this package, so let's go check that out now.
What's up, guys? So here I am with the Mini RF3 Charge Package all set up here. Got all of my lights on and working, as you can see. Now, let's say you're heading to a gig or event, and one thing leads to another, maybe you've got a weird handle on the case, you take it out, and then all of a sudden, oh no! Your case drops. No need to worry though, because the case itself is very sturdy. See, not even a scratch. And now if we go ahead and check on the lights inside, you'll see that they're all still powered and working just fine, as if nothing ever happened, and you're all set to head out to your next gig.
On the bottom of the case are 4 rubber non-slip feet so that the case will stay in place whenever you're taking your lights out or setting them up to charge. And inside the case are the 8 Mini RF3 power wash lights, RF remotes to control all 8 of the lights, and the charging cables to charge all of the lights. Over here we have the charging cable that plugs out of the case and into the wall so that we can charge all the lights, and running on the side of the case is the power strip, which is where each light plugs into to charge it. You'll notice each of the 8 slots is perfectly form-fitting, made of high-density shockproof foam to keep the lights nice and snugly protected in their slots. And the top lid is also padded, which keeps the tops of the lights nice and protected during transport. There's also a side compartment that can hold all of your charging cables, remotes, accessories, etc. Let's set up all of the lights for charging. So each light has its own charging cable. So what you're going to want to do is take your light, take your charging cable, plug this end into the light, and take the other end and run it straight into the power strip. After you have all of the 8 lights plugged into the power strip, you're going to take the case charger, plug this end into this slot over here, and then take the male end and plug it right into the wall. The last step is to just turn it on, and you'll notice each of the lights' charging LED indicators on the chargers come on. And just to note, if you see a red LED, it means it's charging, and if you see a green LED, it means you are fully charged. Now this is super important to note. The Mini RF3s have some of the best and long-lasting batteries on the market. They are 5,000 mAh lithium batteries, which means you need to keep this top lid open whenever you are charging so that the lights get proper ventilation. On top of having a great battery life with 15 hours for a single color, the Mini RF3s are RGBWA+UV lights, where the included RF remote gives you a lot of controls over all of the functionalities like different colors, color wheels, and different modes like auto, fade, sound, and strobe mode, all from a max distance of 100 feet. And because the brackets are adjustable, you have multiple different angles you can point the light at for wall washing or to use it to hang it from a truss. You can also remove the bracket and use this light on the inside of a totem to illuminate a DJ facade, or even to illuminate bottles as the centerpiece of a table. These lights also feature RF grouping through a single remote, wireless DMX, and complete wireless linking to each other in master-slave mode. We have a bunch of tutorial videos on how to set up your lights and how to get the most out of the functionalities, so make sure you check those out. So the Mini RF3 Charge Package is a great system for transporting and charging efficiently all of the Mini RF3s that come preloaded inside of them. So whether you are a DJ or you have an entertainment company, or you're just looking for an all-in-one package that has 8 rechargeable RF power wash lights and a charging case to charge them, look no further than the Mini RF3 Charge Package from Rockville.